Hello, this is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to do a quick video on how to plant a desert shrub here in the Arizona desert. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure wherever you're planting the shrub that you make sure there's room for it to grow to be fully mature where it's not going to encroach pathways or any of that. And also we highly recommend desert plants, and what I'll do is I'll put a link into the comment section of this video where we can recommend plants for the Arizona desert for you. So you got to make sure you have a shovel, of course, to dig the hole. We recommend some sort of mulch and also a B1, or we like to use Super Thrive just as a root stimulator when you're first installing the shrub. So we are going to plant this orange jubilee shrub here, right here in the spot where there was obviously a shrub before at my client's house. You can see that there's a drip here already. So make sure you got water going to whatever you're going to be planting. All right, so we've dug the hole, and as you can see, we dug it a little bit larger than what the shrub is. It's a little bit deeper because we're going to add some soil to it for the area to kind of mix it in there when we put the plant in the hole. We like to fill the hole with plenty of water to get the soil in the hole moist, so when the roots start to grow into it, it makes it a lot easier for the shrub and it's less shocking onto the shrub roots. We're going to go ahead and start putting a little bit of mulch in the hole to give the ground a little bit of base for the roots to start growing into. And go ahead and see if put the plant in the hole, see if it's like level. Don't pull it out yet. Put it in the hole just that way so we can see. Just want to make sure the hole is at the right depth. You think that's pretty good, Chris?
We'll put a little bit of dirt in it.
Let's add a little bit more. You see we're mixing a little bit of dirt. That also helps just so the soil's not all 100%. Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, go ahead and put it in the ground. He's going to go ahead and pull the plant out. Sometimes you have to hit the sides of the plastic container in order to loosen the area up in order to fill in or to pull out the plant. Go ahead and add the soil back. I'm putting in the soil here. We need a little bit more mulch. Do you think there's enough dirt there?
Enough dirt once we put all the rock around it.
Okay.
Because we don't want to put it too high to the base.
Yeah, you're gonna have it equal with the dirt.
All right. We're going to soak the plant on top just to keep the roots moist from the top to the bottom of the shrub. And I'm also going to take this opportunity to put some Super Thrive into the mix. Usually just measure, a couple tablespoons. I'm just going to pour a little bit in here. Just so it gets enough to dilute. It'll dilute with the water and just help stimulate the roots. Now we're just raking the rocks back around the shrub, so you can see just so it kind of blends in with the rest of the yard again. And that's pretty much how we install a shrub. All right, once again, this is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. If you have any questions about how to install a shrub, or if you want to install have some install at your home, check out our website at azlawns.com. You can also give us a call at 602-944-0421. Please subscribe to our YouTube page or follow us on Facebook. If you see this online somewhere, please share it. It's a helpful tip for your clients or maybe your friends. Thanks much.